What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to start over and create a new character in Where Winds Meet. A lot of players end up picking the dual blades early on and later realize it wasn't the best choice since you can unlock them pretty early anyway. That's usually why people want to restart. So first press start and go down to settings. Once you're in settings, tab over to other, then select bind account. From here, click the link button under NetEase Games. You'll need to create a NetEase account and link your current character to it. After that's done, unbind your Steam account. Now when you log back in through Steam, the game will let you create a brand new character. This is basically the only way to restart right now. Unfortunately, you can only have one character per account and there's no option to delete a character once it's created. If you want to do it the other way around and keep Steam as your main account, just go to this icon here and log out. Then log back in using the new NetEase account you created. From there, you can create fresh character on that account instead, and that's it. That's how you start over and make a new character in Where Winds Meet. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.